Hey, I'm Lulu and I'm here at Warburton Victoria at Redwood Forest. This is beautiful. I can't wait to show you. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Come with me. This forest has a beautiful, mystical and magical feel. It's actually a little bit spooky. And I feel like we might even have a fairy pop out at any moment. These trees were planted in a perfect grid formation. You can see they're all lined up perfectly. And they cast a beautiful shadow. It's so fascinating to watch. And you might even find, if you listen closely, you can't really hear any other noise from the outside world. It's almost silent. These Californian redwood trees were planted 90 years ago, almost 100. Wow! And do you know, there's almost 1,500 trees here. That's a lot of trees. These trees are almost 55 meters high and they can grow to double that. That is really tall. I'm tall, but they're really tall. And they can actually be 1,800 years old. That is so old. These trees were planted as part of a scientific experiment many years ago. I'm here with some of my friends today, but where are they? It's so tricky to find anyone around here. Let's see if we can find them. I got you! Forest is already so magical and beautiful, but if you go a little bit further, you'll come and see this beautiful creek. It is gorgeous. Come and have a look. Adding to this mystical and magical feel, you'll find these awesome dragon nests all around the forest. In fact, there's one behind us now. You can add to it if you like. Are you ready? We might even find a dragon egg inside the nest. Can you see one? Let's go. 2, 3, wow! Oh, good throw. Speaking of eggs, I'm going to show you a really fun craft activity you can do with just some eggs, water and some flowers. So what we're going to do is crack our eggs a little bit up the top. Very careful, you might need an adult to do this one because we just want to hole up the top, empty out our eggs as much as you can. We're going to put our special flowers in there too. And you know what you can do with this leftover egg? You can make some scrambled eggs later. Perfect. After that, pop our flowers in here. You guys can help me. Try and pop as many as we can. And then we put our water on top. Now once you've popped it in the freezer, you have these really fun craft activities that you can use together. Now these are some we've prepared earlier, guys. Here you go. One for all of us. And you're ready to crack them open? All right, so you peel it out like a boiled egg. Oh, wow. Can you pull it apart? And you can see we've got our frozen flowers. Oh, wow.
Can I open mine?
Yeah, of course. Oh, look at yours. Beautiful. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at our beautiful flower eggs. Oh, so easy and so fun. And you don't waste the eggs. Except for that little bit of flour in there. You can make some scrambled eggs later.
So gold.
They are gold, aren't they? Thank you for joining me on our adventure today. I've had so much fun. This is a great place to come with your family or your friends and just enjoy being out in nature. Now, our craft activity that we did today is basically free. You could do it anywhere. And you have most of those things at home. You can make a yummy lunch out of it later. Thank you for today, and come join me in making every day magical. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching this Lulu video. Adults, if you and the kiddies in your life like my offerings, then please give me a like, a follow, and a subscribe, and I'd love a share. And join me in making every day magical.